Kalrose Kulhalol presenting the video regarding English grammar standard 10th explained by Sunil sir. Friends, in 10th standard English grammar there are various topics. From that the topic used to remove to is one of them. It will ask in the board examination for 1 mark question, particular in grammar section. First of all, we understood how we use and how we remove TOO from the sentence. To understood about that, we have to follow certain rules. First of all, we will start with remove to. How we remove to from the sentence? For that, there are basic rules. Rule number 1. Rule number 1 is said, generally in the sentence, when we remove to, we need to use so that. Means what? Means if we want to remove TOO from the sentence, we must have to remove TOO, and instead of that we can use the word so that. Clear? Now rule number 2. What is rule number 2? Rule number 2 is about, also remember that if the sentence containing TOO is affirmative, the sentence containing so that becomes negative. Means if the question is regarding or with the word TOO, an examiner asks us that we have to remove TOO in the sentence, the affirmative sentence become negative sentence. We can understood these two rules with some examples. Example number 1. It was too hot to work. In this sentence, TOO word is given that. If we want to use or if we want to remove to, we have to follow two certain basic rule about remove to. First, we have to remove to. Instead of, we can use so that, and the affirmative sentence become negative sentence. How it is work? Let's see. The answer is, it was so hot that I could not work. Friends, see. We can see that in this answer we use so that instead of TOO, and the affirmative sentence become negative with the word could not. So the answer is that it was so hot that I could not work. Example number 2. I am too tired to walk any further. In this sentence, if we want to transform, first of all we have to use so that instead of TOO. So the answer is, I am so tired that. So that, between so that the verb is there, tired. I am so tired that I cannot work any further. Example number 3. The tree is too high to climb. This is also an affirmative sentence. Now the answer is, the tree is a subject. The tree is, because the subject is singular. Now instead of T, TOO, we have to use so that. So high that affirmative sentence converted into negative one, that I cannot climb on it. Now next example, it was too honest to be successful businessman. In this sentence, how we can remove TOO? So the answer is he was so honest. Remove to is in the sentence, we have to remove to. So honest that he could not be successful businessman. Affirmative sentence according to the rule transform into negative one. Now we will study about used to. For that particular rule is there, one rule is there. Generally in a sentence, when we want to use TOO, we remove so that. Okay, if we want to use TOO, we have to remove so that. And also remember that if the sentence containing so that and subtitle it with TOO, further the sentence is negative. Okay, and after adding TOO, it become affirmative. Means whenever the sentence containing negative with the word so that, we will transform that sentence into using the word TOO, it will become negative one. Now we will study that with some example. Example number 1 is that the soup was so hot that I could not drink it. Friends, you can see in this sentence so and that are there. These two words are there, so and that. Means if we want to use to, we have to remove this two word. And another thing we can see in this sentence is the sentence is about in negative form. So the answer is the soup was too hot to drink. Means affirmative, it will become affirmative. Instead of the negative sentence, the word could not, which indicate about the negative sentence, it will remove when we are using TOO in the sentence. Clear? Now number 2, the table is so heavy that I cannot lift it. Friends, you can see cannot word indicate about that this sentence belong with the negative type. So we have to remove cannot, and instead of so that, we can use TOO. The answer is the table is too heavy to lift. Now number 3, it is so dark that we cannot see anything. Cannot word indicate about the negative sentence, and so that is there. We can remove so that, and we have to use TOO instead of so that. So the answer is it is too dark to see anything. Now next example, the oranges were so sour that we could not eat them. Now if we want to use, or if we want to remove so that from the sentence, what will the answer? The oranges were too sour to eat. The word could not, which is indicate about the negative form, is removed from the sentence. Next one, the shirt was so dirty that I could not wear it. Friends, in this sentence you can see that the could not word is also there, which is indicate about the negative, and so that is there. So Answer is the shirt was too dirty to wear. Now you can clear this about how we have to use TOO2 and how we can remove TOO2. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.